Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.